Welcome to telaHosting. If you're running Facebook ads, managing an Instagram brand name, or working inside Meta Business Manager, verifying your domain is not optional, it's essential. It proves you own your website, lets you control link previews, protects against unauthorized edits, and unlocks certain ad features. Today I'll show you exactly how to do it using DirectAdmin. You'll need access to Meta Business Manager, your DirectAdmin panel, and your domain name. So let's go. Head over to business.facebook.com and log in. Make sure to have a business portfolio as this is what you're going to be using. So if you don't already have one, create one. Click on it and then go to Business Settings. Scroll down to Brand Safety and click Domains. Click Add and then type in your domain name. Just your domain name, no prefix like HTTP or www. Meta will show you 3 verification methods. Choose DNS verification. Meta will give you a TXT record that starts with Facebook-domain-verification, =, followed by your unique code. Copy that entire value and now log into your DirectAdmin panel. Go to the Account Manager section and click on DNS Management. Click Add Record and select TXT record. Leave the name field if DirectAdmin autofills it or type in your domain name. Paste the Meta TXT code into the value field and click Add. Wait for DNS propagation, and once the record is live, go back to Meta and click Verify Domain. If your DNS has updated, Meta will instantly confirm your domain as verified. If it doesn't go through, wait another 10 to 20 minutes and try again. After verification, there is one optional but highly recommended step. While still in the business setting, go to Domains, select your domain and assign it to your Facebook page, your Instagram account, and your ad account. This ensures you can only edit link previews and run ads using your domain. No one else can hijack it. If verification keeps failing, check these things. Make sure your DNS value has no extra spaces or typos, and make sure you are editing the right domain and not a subdomain by mistake. Make sure you don't have the duplicate TXT records for the same name, and then give it a bit more time if needed. Some locations can take up to an hour to update. Also, do not remove the TXT record after you've verified. Meta checks for it to maintain your verification status. And that's it. You've successfully verified your domain on Meta using DirectAdmin. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.